So I want you to imagine a plugin that gives you that high quality sound that you're looking for, those easy to understand workflows, along with that industry sound that you are craving your beats to have. Well, this is where we thank our good friends at Izotope for providing us their latest plugin, Cascadia. And it is a delay plugin, but honestly, with my review and my time with this, I found out that it's a lot more than that, and I'm going to show you how. Chill Squad, what it do? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not part of the Chill Squad, my name is Avidan Smith, and I help creators find their unique sound while living a purpose-driven life. So if that's you and you're not part of the Chill Squad, what are you doing? For those of you who have not already, if you're new to this chat, if you're new to the channel, and if you're watching from a place that I've probably never been to before, or you just watch it from anywhere, whether it's US, wherever you are, let me know where you're watching in the comments or in the premiere, and I'll be sure to talk with you. So the purpose with Cascadia, it is to simplify your workflow and just to give your delay clearer mixes, which is something that if you ever used delay before, like FL Studio or any other software, it's really easy to kind of get distracting echoes, which could take away from your whole experience with making your beats. So for me, one of my favorite things about Cascadia is the adaptive unmasking, and that's because it actually helps give you clearer mixes without all those distracting delays, echoes, or what have you. So this alone is one of the reasons why. But as I mentioned earlier, this is much more than a delay plugin. This is a mixing and mastering tool that I have been using, and I've used it on one of my older beats, and it brought out the audio in a way that I couldn't even believe. Like, I spent almost an hour here just jamming out to one of my older beats because of the improvements that it made. I'm going to actually walk you through that. You all heard it in the beginning, but I'm going to walk you through a bit more what I did and why this is worth the price and it's worth going after.
I love it here. I love it here. I love it here. I love it here. Oh.
Right here, over here on the left side, you could, this knob right here allows you to give you as much as delay you want to go. So I didn't want to go exactly 50%, but right here is the feedback, which is the often effect, the echo effect we get to delay it just a bit. Now in this song, it feels like it's a lot, but mixed in with all of the sounds, it fits perfectly. That's the only reason why I have it the way I do, so it blends in well. So I have it up to pretty high because I needed to match the intensity of the song that I have, and the width just spreads the effect across your headphones. Now, as we said, the adaptive unmasking gives you that feeling. So let's play it right again.
I love it here. I love it here. I love it here. I love it here.
This gives you the level of the effect of how it's going to be, and basically the clarity of the delay effect. So this way you can still get the delay effect, but it's still clean when it comes to your mixes.
I love it here. I love it here. I love it here. I love it here. Oh, I love it here. I love it here. I love it here. I love it here.
So over here on the right hand side, as I say, you have the adaptive unmasking, you have your attack, release, and sensitivity. Really easy, and honestly, this is just the front end hood. You have your hertz on the left and the right side, basically to give you that balance feel. Back over here on the left side, you had your modulation wheels for depth and rate, and easy enough, it's allows you to give as much as percentage as you want. So let's try again.
I love it here. I love it here. I love it here. I love it here. Oh.
So basically, what Cascade is going to do is going to save you a lot more time when it's time to mix down your beats. And that's something that all of us do when we're creatives. When we're creatives and we're creating, we could create more and more, but when we have to mix, we have to switch our brains from creative mode to analytical mode, and when we are being more analytical, this takes a lot more time. When you can have a creative plugin that can flow with your analytical process and your creative process in one, this shortens your mixing time, and some of your beats could probably go out in the pre-mix now because of this plugin. And you're probably wondering who this is for. In my opinion, this is for anyone who wants to improve their sound quality. So you're probably asking, how much does this cost? Well, let's just get the base price out the way, and that's $49 if you have never purchased anything from Izotope, or if you just want to pay the full price. The full price is $49. But there are some promotions going on right now. Between today of November 26, 2024 to January 5th, 2025, if you already have a paid Izotope product, then you can cross-grade into Cascadia for $39. And there's also another offer. The Catalyst Series Holiday Bundle releases today on November 26, 2024, again to January 5th, 2025, and you can get all 3 Izotope products of Plasma, Aurora, and Cascadia, all for $129, which is a killer deal considering that only one of these costs $49. So if you put all 3 together, it's roughly close to $150, definitely over $150 plus taxes. And by the way, this is in US dollars. I want to make sure that's clear. I definitely think that you should definitely cop all of these right away, because Cascadia in itself is enough. Imagine having all 3 of these. For me, I'd say Cascadia is a go. I'm not gonna even tell you to go get the holiday bundle or anything. I'll say Cascadia in itself. Get Cascadia, especially if you are really trying to up the quality of your mixes. It will change the game for you. I am not playing. There's only a few other plugins that I use consistently. You already know I'm a big fan of Knock, but this right here, this is going to be like my sidekick now. I'm going to use this almost on every beat that I'm working on, and you're going to hear the difference. I'm going to use it in a way that you're not going to even know that it's even in there. And if you want to purchase Cascadia today, I do have affiliate links down below for Cascadia and for the holiday bundle deals, so check those out down below. Yes, these are affiliate links. Yes, I do receive a financial kickback from these if you decide to purchase anything from my link, so I do appreciate you all if you do, because it helps out the channel more than you know. And if you liked my breakdown with Cascadia, YouTube is actually recommending a video for you right here, and they think that this is the best video out of my library that you should watch. So go ahead, check it out, and let me know what you think in the next video.